Well, hi there, and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So can you get 2 hours a day? Can you get 1 hour a day? To do what? Can you guess? That's right, to spend it on some business building marketing activities. I was watching a cleaning business owner online, and he was talking about how on a regular basis, I don't know if it was daily, but on a regular basis, he was sending out brochures he had made up out to the building owners of the places he wanted to clean. And he was talking about how well it was going. And it's funny, they may not have been perfect marketing brochures. They may have been pretty standard name, rank, and serial number, kind of how to contact him, logo, services, that kind of thing. But am I surprised? Not at all, for lots of reasons. For one thing, your competitors may not be doing anything. And so you really stand out taking this proactive step to do what? To get your message into the hands of the decision makers at the places you'd like to clean. So I'm not surprised. I'm also, Tony and I experienced similar results as this person did too, that any time we were able to carve out to dedicate to those activities, we found most of the time more than paid for the cost of providing maybe an extra buffer of help to cover cleaning, so we didn't get caught, get pulled back into the cleaning activities all the time. So we could always do this business building activity. So well worth it. So what seems like crazy right now, an hour or two, may not seem so crazy a year from now when you see the results. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.